so much bigger. So let's see if we can get this out of the box. So I currently have the 7.5 inch Ryobi miter saw on a Harbor Freight stand. I bought this because I was in Home Depot and the price was just phenomenal. It was $179. I thought that was a great deal. So here I'm checking whether the fence base and the platen are square. The platen meaning the turntable are flat to one another, and surprisingly they were like almost dead on. Let's use an engineer's edge. So here I'm checking for the fence squareness vertically, whether it's square to the platen, and it is not. It's tilted. To fix that, I am going to shim the fence so it tilts forward to correct that problem. And to do that, I need to loosen it from the loosen the fence. It's a single fence, meaning that it's one piece all along the length of the saw. Okay, now it's time to mount this to the stand, and this is the Harbor Freight miter stand, and I've really enjoyed it. That is my 7.5 inch saw there, which was perfect out of the box, not like this 10 inch. So again, here I'm taking off the 7.5 inch miter saw from the miter stand. That's the Harbor Freight miter stand. Really has served me well. Just to note, the 10 inch saw was not square to the fence. The blade was not square. So I did that off camera. It took me 5 to 7 minutes to get that done. But now it's true, it's cutting perfectly, and I'm really happy with it. Notice how much larger this 10 inch is than the 7.5. I bought this because the 7.5 will not cut a 4x4, and this will, and I wanted that extra reach. So here I'm just finishing up attaching the saw to the base. I think I'm really going to like this saw, and hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you further on down the trail. Happy woodworking.